welcome back to my channel. This is me, Sharmishta Ghosh, and I'm again back with a video where I'm taking you guys to a hidden gem in Kolkata. Finally, the video जो आप लोगों को ज़्यादा पसंद है, the videos which you guys keep saying me on the comments on my Instagram to create more. So finally मैं लेके आ चुकी हूँ and I'm going there. It's a very red place. That's why I'm wearing a red chicken curry kurta today, and with some very cute, like very pretty oxidized jewelry which I got from my friend Shatok. He runs business of this junk jewelries. You can shop from there. I will link it down. And before we get into this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and put down a comment on how you like this video. कैसा लगा ये video ज़रूर बताना on my comment section. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram, which is Sharmishta_Ghosh_ to get more content on daily lifestyle, fashion and more of me, because I can post more on Instagram than YouTube. So ज़रूर follow करना. So yes, let's get going. चलो चलते हैं. Before we get into this video, I thought कि मैं आप लोगों को दिखा दूँ कि what I'm wearing today. I'm wearing a chicken curry kurta in red with denim pants and blue heels, as you can see. And also मैंने थोड़ा सा earrings भी change कर लिया because I think these jhumkas are looking better and it's quite comfortable. These are also from Shatok. And this chicken curry I bought from Splanet. Splanet में एक wholesale market है जहाँ पे सिर्फ chicken curry kurtas मिलता है full set. I'm just wearing the top of the kurta, like only the kurta I'm wearing. I'm not wearing the full set. And I got it for like 1,000 rupees last year. थोड़ा ज़्यादा ले लिया था I feel, और भी मैं थोड़ा सा like bargain कर सकती थी. So yeah, that's the thing. So चलो अब चलते हैं. And you might be thinking what's the name of the place where I'm going to. So I will reveal the name of the place at the end of this video. So keep watching. Chalo. Finally here at our destination. Chalo andar chalte hai. Let me show you. No, we cannot reveal the name, Akun. So this place is in Kalighat, and this place is 90-year-old heritage place which is been reconstructed as a cafe. So it's like a 90-year-old hidden gem we are talking about today. Shatok, you can come to the video. That's why I'm putting it there. Doesn't want to come to the video because he's smoking. Shanti te. So what is this issue with this light? I don't understand. But we have ordered few things here, like a grilled sandwich, a platter which is a mutton, and then I ordered a very special tea here. I don't know what is the issue with lighting. Oh my god. Okay, and I also ordered some truffle tarts. So I'm really looking forward to it. I'm really looking forward to try them. And I think it's also pocket friendly. What do you think?
मेरा कोई problem नहीं है.
Like, is it pocket friendly? हाँ. Yeah. Like, what do you think?
Is it really pocket friendly?
It is pocket friendly. It's not like too costly. So about this place, and the aesthetics are like really pretty, as you can see. Oh my god, what is the issue with light? So aesthetic is really pretty. Like it's very Indian, like very Bangla culture aesthetic. It's like, I think doing with the putting light? Our food is here. So can you please explain like what we have?
Mini fruit tarts,
Okay.
grilled chicken sandwich,
Okay.
mutton bolognese,
Okay.
red bari masala chai.
Okay. This is more like momos.
Fried.
Fried.
Momos, kalsi samosa type.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. What's your name?
Deepak.
Thank you, Deepak. So we're gonna start our food testing. We have ordered all this food. You just know what it is. So I'm starting with the tea. शार्तुक ने चाय नहीं order किया है. मैंने चाय order किया because I love tea. I am like a tea freak. I drink a lot of tea. And this is their specialty. I'll not reveal the name because this is after the cafe. After it's by the name of the cafe. And this is their masala tea. I'm just gonna try it. And I'll let you know if it's good or not.
और मैं समोसा ट्राई करूँगा.
This is mutton samosa. This is like the non-veg platter. It's good.
Really good.
Really good. Let me try. And the tea is very average. Like normal tea, masala tea, and it's good. Try whatever.
Milk achha.
Try it. The mutton platter. And try this.
Milk achha.
Oh my god, it's so soft. So soft.
This is like goodies.
Mutton like platter is very soft. The filling. Grilled chicken sandwich. I'll ask Sharthuk to try it. Give it a bite and let me know how it is. How is it? Good. मन से बोलो, मन से बोलो.
मन से अंतर
तन
आत्मा से
से.
बोल तन से नहीं बोल रहा हूँ. बट बहुत अच्छा है.
Okay.
How is it?
Good with great quantity. We got 2 sandwiches in one bowl. Good. And finally we are having the macarons. You can see. So cheers.
Cheers.
So हम लोग निकल चुके हैं from the cafe. We are so done. Oh, this light, man. And we are heading towards Godiya. The food was good. The cafe was good. We will give the cafe a 8 out of 10 because it's not that of a great hidden gem, but it was worthy. It was a place where you can just hang out, eat food, enjoy, which has reasonable pricing, and winters are coming and that's like the perfect place to hang out because of the outdoor place. The vibe is good, the aesthetic is good, people there, the management is very nice, food is good. So yeah, everything is so good. But as a hidden gem it's a 10, but as a cafe and as a food place it's a 10. It's a 10. I liked it.
No, 7.
7. For Sharthuk it's 7, for me it's 10. I liked it. Honestly, I liked it. I am like full. The quantity was so good of the food. It was tasty. It was aesthetically pleasing and everything. Right now we were just walking in Kalighat, I guess, and we will head towards Godiya. We will buy some jewelry and we will go back home. And we are ending the vlog here now, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you enjoyed the vlog, don't forget to like, share and
Subscribe.
yes. Tab tak ke liye, bye bye. Guys, I forgot to reveal the name of the cafe and I ended the video without revealing it. So it was what? The Red Bari. The Red Bari it was. And yeah, so sorry for that. Lal Bari. So yeah, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye. See you in the next one.